Hey everyone, JT's Daddy 21. Opened up a couple boxes of 2008-2009 UD Black basketball. This will be box 2 and 3 for me for the season. Here goes box number 1. Our ID is covered with the Upper Deck logo, so we'll try and clear that. Get that for the record. If I can get this thing in focus, here you go. Here we go, pack number 1. Looks like an autograph of Charlie Scott. Kind of a janky cut autograph. Not only is it a cut autograph, but the autograph looks pretty much cut off from the center of the cutout. Anyways, numbered 18 of 25. Alright. Pack number 2. Redemption. George Gervin and Magic Johnson. Looks like a dual flags auto, number 210. So this is pretty cool. Makes up for the first autograph. Alright, this is box number 1. 2 overall for the season. I'll be back with box number 2. Or make that 3. Alright. Thanks for watching.